Hey guys, this is Aaron from House of Haha, and we have an exciting video for today. We are doing an unboxing video, of the greatest toy ever made in all of existence, at least in my opinion. We're going to find in a few minutes when we get it out here and take a closer look at it. This is a Robosen Optimus Prime self-transforming robot. That's right, a robot. This is not just a toy, this is a robot. So let's get into this and take a look. All right, let's get in here. I am so excited about this. Okay. As you can tell, as the box covers me behind it, this is huge. Not a small box, not a small transformer by any stretch of the imagination. All right, there we go. And some packaging. These little things to make sure it's safe. These figures, toys, robots, this new best friend, these are numbered. So each one of these is individually serial numbered uniquely in it. And as not many of these have come out yet, I'm really curious to see what number I end up getting. There's a couple I'm hoping for, particularly, like number 1985, 84 would be great, something like that. But let's see what number I got. Let's go ahead and carefully. And of course, the box itself that came in, the shipping box, is labeled as Hasbro with the Autobots logo and everything. So if you want to keep this, keep the box and everything with it. Here we go. There is a lot of packaging. This is like Christmas. All right. Did you feel the stillness in the air that just happened? A little bit of electricity? I felt it. Oh, so pretty. Collector's edition, transforming. Limited edition, I've got number 21494. That is a much bigger number, but that's okay. I'm happy there's a lot of these in the world. So let's go ahead and carefully open this up here. There we go. Ooh! So, one of the things I like about this that I had read previously is that the case that holds it, so we got our box there, let's keep all that there aside. Ooh, so you see this is the case. It's not just like a normal like foam case that keeps everything in there. It is an actual case, like a little suitcase. It has a handle on it. It's got actual little, looks like locks on the side to keep it closed. So, very cool. Let's go ahead and take a look. I love that etching of the Autobot logo. So pretty. All right. Click. That's that. You ready? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at how amazing this is. It's just, that's fine. I know. I almost passed out too. It's very exciting. Okay, so let's look at this. So on the top, looks like we've got a little Robosen. I believe this is going to be our accessories. It is. Look at his feet. They're so huge. Okay, so it looks like we've got, they're giant. Oh my God. They're so big. They're so huge. Oh my God. All right, there is his. There's Prime's rifle. There's an ion battery that comes with this, because I believe this lights up on end. And then we've got his laser axe. Oh my God. Like, I've seen the pictures of it, but you do not appreciate how big this thing is until you're actually holding it. Holy crap, it's huge. That is beautiful. So we've got his laser axe there. Excellent. Very nice packaging on this. Okay, and then other accessories. This looks like these are the smokestacks to go on the side there. And then we've got, looks like, I think these are stickers. Yeah, these are some Autobot stickers. I don't know what they go on, but a couple of Autobot silver stickers. I think they might go on the feet. That's my guess about these. They might go on the feet so that when you transform as a truck, you've got little Autobot logos, like weird mud flaps or something on them. But I don't know, that's my guess. Got everything for the charging to power him up on that. And then we've got here the quick start guide and just the basic operations to get them going. There's 2 instruction guides in here. We got the quick start guide, basically get in the box, get them going, basic functions, things like he does. And then we've got the full instruction manual that gets into all the nitty gritty for all the really in-depth stuff that he can do. And it is absolutely beautifully packaged, well made, very exciting. Here we go. All right, so let's go. Let's do this. Let's go and take him out. Holy crap, he's heavy. I was not prepared for that. I knew he was heavy, but like, God, he's so heavy. All right, I'm gonna keep his little smokestacks. We're gonna want those in a minute to put those on him. And we're just going to set some of these aside here. Right there. Is that okay? All right. You know what? We'll do this. Whoop. Dun, 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 dun. All right. So right now he is not activated. So all the servos, nothing's locked, he's loose, he's kind of wiggly. And then once the power comes on, everything should lock in place. The servos lock in, he should be more stable at that point. So one of the things, there's a big sticker here on the top. You can see that clearly indicates you want to make sure you take off all the little packaging items before you turn them on. I know this because I've watched other videos where they did not do that and it was not pretty. So we'll take this, don't you come up yet. We'll put that down there. And then we've got some here on his feet that will take those off, like so. And then there is some here on the arms, which you just pull them out slightly. Oh my God, those are so big. And then pull that one out slightly so there's no impeding his movements when you take these. There we go. And we'll put those just gently back in. Okay, and there's one more right there on the side. So make sure all your plastics, I believe I got everything he says confidently. All right, so once you have that, there's a power button right here on the top and the back of the cab. You press, hold that for, oh, actually, almost forgot one more thing. We're gonna do the smokestacks. So let's go and take those out real quick. Some people were concerned previously, I've seen whether these, once you put these on, whether it will still fit in the box because of the height added to them. The answer is yes. It's either one you want to go with, and there's no particular left or right, so they just click on like that. That smokestack. Ooh, yes. Okay, so we have that. All of his little parts are there. Now we're just going to rotate him. Oh, you want to see the smokestacks? Let me turn this around, get a good look. Let me get a little, before I act him, just a full kind of 360 look and see what he's like. Big, beautiful truck. Smokestacks on there, see his feet. And just real quick before you do them, just a quick side clip. We'll take his windows off. And just to show like how big he is. Beautiful. This right here is a masterpiece, Optimus Prime. And as you can see, he looks like a toy in comparison to this giant beast over here. So you can see exactly how hefty he is in comparison to these two. Just really, really nice. All right, so everything's on. We're going to push the button, hold it for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Greetings. I am Optimus Prime.
That happened. All right. Okay. So we're going to do this. All right. So there we go. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Transform. Oh my gosh. All right, let's move him aside. Oh my God. That is so great. He's breathing. He's alive. Oh my God, you are so beautiful. Okay. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Are we friends?
You are my friend.
Oh my God, this is so awesome. I love him so much. Oh my God. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Happy birthday.
Greetings from Cybertron. I am Optimus Prime. I am granting you permission to have the greatest birthday the universe has ever seen. Roll out.
If we are friends, every birthday you're getting one of these via like a text message or something. That is awesome. I love this. Here, let's grab the manual. Let me take a quick look. There's some more phrases he says. Oh my God, this is so cool. This is amazing. You are amazing. Yes, you breathe away. You are awesome. I love you. All right. Goes over the different actions, greetings, converts. Okay, here we go. Hey, Optimus Prime. Hey, Optimus Prime. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Oh, hi. Sorry that you were sleeping. Who are you?
I am the leader of the Autobots.
All right. Let's do this. Let's move it back a little bit. Let's try this one. Hey, Optimus Prime. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Step forward. Step forward. All right. Maybe I'm not doing it. Oh, I did it wrong. Yeah, it's very specific. You gotta learn the language. Hey, Optimus Prime. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Move forward.
Let's go.
Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Step left. Move left. Oh my God. Are you kidding me right now with this? Oh my God. I love you. I love you so much. I love you so very much. You are perfect in every way. So if you want to make him a little more silhouette correct, you can also, there's this little plate right here. Just, he says confidently, didn't break it. Yes, it pops right off. So if you want that more sort of true, there's a couple things here that need to be more hand transformed. You got to take these tanks, we'll lock down to kind of finish the whole look. And then when he's in truck mode, these mirrors have to be flipped in and out for those on there. So little extras like that there. Just a little size comparison to show you how big he is. He is 19 inches. Not the biggest Transformer made, but pretty darn close. But a comparison right here, we've got a Commander class Jetfire, which in itself is 11 inches. Was the biggest Transformer I had up until about 5 minutes ago. So very, very, very cool figure. Let's have him do a flip back event. So one thing I've learned, if you want to transform him between, or sometimes he does that. He just fucking dabs. just looks cool. If you do want to transform the convert between the truck and the robot mode, I have noticed that when he is standing as a robot, when he transforms the truck, he's going to be facing the opposite direction. So if he is a robot and you want him as a truck to be facing a certain way, make sure he's facing the opposite direction. For example, hey Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Stand up. I don't know how to get him to stand up. So we'll do this. We'll just flip him around, and I bet he'll do it automatically. That's just pretty cool in itself. So his back's facing him. All right, that was really intimidating. That was way aggressive, dude. I'm just saying. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Transform. Jesus Christ. He's got a truck sound. All right, one last little thing. Just because I think it's cool, before we end up this little video, you can see all the cool stuff we've done. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Move forward. Oh, that was unexpected. That is not what I thought I was going to do. He's going to come at me,
Let's
isn't he?
go.
All right, so I obviously have some practice. Oh shit! I have some. I obviously need to read the manual. There's some practicing that needs to happen with this guy. And we'll do more videos. Yeah, you just relax. You're fine. I get you. You're the boss, bro. So we're gonna do one more down here. I just want to see this. So we're gonna put him down. I think facing this way because it's gonna be a truck, and we're gonna say, "Hey, Optimus Prime,
Greetings.
transform and roll out." Very anticlimactic. Hey, Optimus Prime. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Transform and roll out. We got to figure it out. I know he rolls forward. There's a remote. There's an app you have to get for your phone, too, that goes along with this. You can do manual controls on it and stuff like that. But that is sort of, I think, the joy of any new toy and things like this, the discovery as you play with it, discover these new things, how this works. There is going to be endless hours of playability with this figure. I'm so excited. We will do more videos. We will show you how Transform and Roll it actually works and how that goes. We really hope you enjoyed watching this. A couple points in this too, if you are interested to get one for yourself, these are available from Hasbro and Robosen. They do retail, they are not cheap. They go for $700 as the retail price. This was one that was given to me as a gift by a friend of mine from John, and it was ordered several months back and had to get to a pre-order to get it. If you did want to get one right now, it's right before the holidays, right before Christmas, we're going to put a link in the description below where they're available on Amazon currently for $1,600. According to them, you can get it before Christmas by December 22nd. We're also going to put a link in the description for the other Transformers, Jetfire, the MP Optimus Prime. Also, a link is our Amazon for our Have a Reasonable Day. If you want to support our channel and get our merch, get a Have a Reasonable shirt. We have that available also in our Amazon links below. We really hope you enjoyed this video. I had a blast. I look forward to doing more videos. We'll do some more later on the playability. This was just the unboxing video. We'll get some more. You guys check it out. Thank you for coming in. Thanks for stopping by. I've been Aaron from House of Ha Ha, and have a reasonable day.